Hey, hello, hi, how are you? I'm in my workshop. It's a very rare moment that I'm ever in my workshop these days. Cleared a little path. I have Monaco right here. So my plan today is to set that thing up. We'll toy around with it and we'll see what's going on. I'm not doing that in this video though. This video is different. The other day I was in the arcade and we were kind of busy. There was a lot of people around and a flipper had stopped working on one of the games. So I popped it open, I took a look, and I figured it was something stupid because usually the little, the wire that connects up to the solenoid has fallen off or had broken or the whatever. Usually it just comes detached, and so it's like a 1 minute fix. Just get a little solder, you strip a wire, you get a little solder, you heat up the solder, you stick the two pieces together, and moments later, magic happens, and everything's working again. But we were so busy that just getting my cart that has my soldering iron on it out into the arcade would be problematic. There were people in front of the door to get it out of the back room, and then I have to navigate through a whole bunch of people. I have to make space for it. I have to run an extension cord across the thing. I thought, gosh, wouldn't it be great if they had a non-wired soldering iron? And a long time ago, I used to have a little a butane-powered one. It was okay-ish. I used it, it was back in my music days, so I used it to fix like guitar cables that had broken or something. And I took it with me to live gigs just in case I needed it, and I'd fix a cable real quick and there wasn't a spare, that kind of thing. I have no idea where it is, and it was okay on its best days. So I went online, I looked around, and I found there are butane ones, but there are also battery powered ones. So I thought battery powered would be great because I could just leave it plugged in and on the cart, and then when I need it, off I go. So I did some checking around. I read some interesting comments about some of them, that they were just horrible and terrible. But at the end of the day, I settled on FrogBro. This is FrogBro. Oh, I love the name. FrogBro 5-volt cordless soldering iron, model number LD006A-11 watts. Says that it can get up to 520 degrees Celsius, which is probably more than enough to do anything that I would possibly need to do. So I don't usually do review videos, but we're going to unbox this. We're going to go over to my bench here and we're going to play with it, because this might be the solution I'm looking for. It might also be terrible, in which case, I don't know. But it was cheap. It was under 40 bucks if I remember, because it was on sale and everything. So we'll try it. All right, let's go over here and have a look. All right, let's see what we've got. We've got our soldering iron. It's a little light. Kind of sticks in there a little bit. Okay, we've got those two things. Charge cable. Got, I'm sure it's super quality solder. And then this is our soldering tip. And I saw a picture of this and it's hilarious. It's it's like an incandescent bulb, huh? That's kind of cool. Like that. All right, awesome. I'm going to charge this before we play with it. So I will charge this and we'll be back in a second. Hold please. Right. All right. We're fully charged. I love this little note. It reads, "Dear valued customer, thank you for your purchase. I hope you will love your cordless soldering iron made by FrogBro Tools, and you will enjoy the benefits to make soldering more freely, etc., etc. If we can be of any further assistance to you, please let us know via email. FrogBro is your bro for tools." Ah, that's sweet. I love the I do. I love the cursive font. It's very nice. Okay, so there was something about turning this on the first time. When first use, please press the power button 3 times continuously. How do you... Okay. To activate the touch sensor. So it's my understanding this is the power button. This is the touch sensor. Once it's on, you hold this down to heat it up. So 3 times continuously. No. Oh, that looks like something. After sensor activates, press the power button for 3 seconds. Power indicator will light up. 2, 3. Ah, okay. So somewhere in that nonsense, I did it. All right. So this heating up. And it will turn green, I guess, when it's ready to go. Okay. Oh, it has LEDs. Hello. So it takes a little while to heat up, I guess, but let's see how hot it actually is. It smells lovely. Look, plug. And I have some better solder here somewhere. All right, let's see. Let me come a little bit closer. All right, let's try this. This is a little bit better. Okay, so I'm going to try to get some solder on this, and then we'll try to... This is a little thin for a regular coil, but that's okay. And look, it had turned off in all my fiddling. So let's try this. 1, 2, 3. On. Sweet. Okay, we'll touch this. So I have to leave my finger on this, so it's a little awkward. Well, it's hot enough. Made a big mess. Let's try to solder to this. I took my finger off that. What if I hold it like this? Is that a little bit better? I think I will call that a success. So I'm interested to see how long this will last on a single charge. But for what I need to do, that's more than adequate. This is going to be, I think, probably a good addition to my little cart. So there you go. This is the, what the heck am I looking at? What is this thing? This is the... Can you tell I don't do these videos very often? Here you go. This is the FrogBro 5-volt cordless soldering iron. And it is model number LD006A-11 watts. So if you need something like this, probably pretty good. Look, there's even like a little, that's your bro. That's your FrogBro right there. Your bro for tools. All right, that's enough of this nonsense. Thanks for watching. I'm going to go work on the machine behind me.